So now we're going to program keys for Ford Transit new one. The new one 2018, I think. Okay, selected the new version. Ford immobilizer.
Yeah.
New Ford
Transit.
Transit, okay. This one? Okay, this is 2018. Erase case firstly. Okay. Switch on.
Okay.
Okay, the internet is okay. I think it's normal. The internet is not so good at the moment. Maybe it needs take time to reading the data. Configuring the system, please wait. Switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. Then switch off for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Remove the key. And switch ignition on with this second key. 1, 2, 3. Then switch off.
Okay.
Remove the key. Okay. So now let's check the key now. Okay, successfully.